Our journey begins with the Big Bang, a moment of creation that occurred about 13.8 billion years ago. Imagine all of matter, energy, space, and time compressed into an infinitesimally small point, which then exploded in a fiery burst of creation. This spectacular event was not an explosion in space, but rather an explosion of space itself. In the mere seconds following the Big Bang, the universe expanded rapidly in what scientists call inflation. During this phase, the universe grew from smaller than the size of an atomic nucleus to an enormity beyond comprehension. In the minutes that followed, the fundamental forces of nature, gravity, electromagnetism, and the strong and weak nuclear forces, began to separate from one another. Matter began to form as quarks combined to form protons and neutrons, which then combined to form the first atomic nuclei. After about 375,000 years, the universe had cooled enough for electrons to combine with these nuclei to form atoms, primarily hydrogen and helium. The universe became transparent, and light could travel freely for the first time. For the next few 100 million years, the universe was a dark place, known as the Dark Ages. Gradually, gravity pulled matter together to form the first stars and galaxies, bringing an end to the cosmic dark ages. Fast forward to about 9 billion years after the Big Bang, and a relatively small galaxy known as the Milky Way was forming. Inside this galaxy, a certain star we now call the Sun ignited about 4.5 billion years ago. Around this star, a small planet known as Earth formed, setting the stage for the next chapter in our cosmic story, the advent of life. Today, the universe continues to expand, with galaxies moving away from each other. Scientists continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, from the nature of dark matter and dark energy to the possibility of other life forms in the cosmos. In this brief journey, we've traveled from the moment of the universe's birth in the Big Bang, through the formation of fundamental forces, matter, and the first atoms. We've traversed the cosmic dark ages to the ignition of the first stars and galaxies, and finally arrived at the formation of our own galaxy, star, and planet. We've also touched upon the ongoing expansion of the universe and the mysteries that scientists are still unraveling. Remember, this is just a simplified overview of an incredibly complex and fascinating story. The universe is a vast, ever-expanding mystery, full of wonders and secrets waiting to be discovered. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, remember that you are not just looking at stars, but you are looking back in time, witnessing the history of the universe unfolding before your very eyes.